Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to be guiding you through how to change background in Google Meet. You can easily change your Google Meet's background to anything, a cozy library or even outer space without anyone knowing where you actually are. First of all, open up a web browser and type in meet.google.com in the URL box and search. Make sure that you're signed in using your Google account's credential, and once logged in, go ahead and join into a meeting or start a new meeting. I'm just going to start an instant meeting. Now once you start the meeting, make sure that you've turned on your camera at the bottom. Now click on the little drop down right in front of the video option and click on this little gear button. From the settings menu that pops up on the screen, make sure you're inside video and click on backgrounds and effects. Now on the right hand side of the screen, go ahead and select background. You can then go ahead and blur your background or just remove your background by choosing from the options at the top. Now you can easily go ahead and blur out your background slightly or completely. You can also add your own personal background by clicking on this little plus icon and select a personal background from your device's camera roll or library. If you want to use professional backgrounds that is recommended by the platform, you can scroll down and look for one of these backgrounds. Click on one and you'll be able to see that you have a new background on the screen. Explore around with other backgrounds. You can go ahead and select from the categories such as professional, cozy home, nature, etc. And that's it. Your boring background just got a makeover. You can attend meetings from anywhere in just a few simple clicks. So that's how you can easily change backgrounds on Google Meet. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.